One last thing that I want to prepare are the store banners. We can use some cool banners and images to highlight the ongoing deals. You can create these banners on tools like Canva or Kittle. Both of these tools are free to use and offers hundreds of templates, which will help you design banners faster. You only need to choose a template and then make some necessary adjustments. Change the images, change the texts, fonts, etc., and the banners will be ready in no time. And once the designing is complete, you can simply download the banner and use it while we design our store. Alright, now we are ready to customize the store. So let's go to the online store option and then click on this Customize button. This will take us to the Shopify store editor. Editing using the Shopify editor is very easy. You only need to click on the section you want to customize, and it will automatically show you the editing options on the right sidebar. On the left-hand side, you can see the structure of your page. It always starts with a header at the top and ends with the footer at the bottom. For your better understanding, I will hide these sections by clicking on this little eye icon. And this will leave us with a blank canvas, which only has a header, a footer, and a banner. So let's start with editing the header. First of all, we have this announcement bar at the top. When you click on Add Announcements, you'll be able to add promotional messages and latest offers at the top of this page. You can mention the ongoing offers and then also add the link to a specific product or collections. When you click on the announcement bar, you'll see these settings on the right. Here, make sure that the Show Announcement option is enabled. Next, we can also change the announcement bar color from here. And we have many other settings here, which you can enable or disable as per your need. The cool thing is that we can add multiple announcements here, which will show one by one. It's a great place to promote the ongoing offers and discounts. Next up, we have the header. We have the store logo on the left, the menu at the center, and then some other options on the right. But I want to show the store logo at the center. To do that, I will go to this header design option and then set the logo position as center. I will set the container style to full width. Make sure to change the logo text to your store name. And if you already have a logo, you can upload that here. And as you can see, the logo is visible here. We can also upload a different logo for mobile device from here, and then we can upload a logo for transparent header. And we have many other settings here. We can change or replace this menu, we can use a different menu for mobile, and then under the add-on settings, we can simply enable or disable these options based on our need. You can enable multiple languages, currencies, etc. Next, under theme settings, make sure to enter all your social media handles, URL. These social media handles will appear at the footer of this store. There are many other settings available here, so feel free to play around with these options. One thing you'll notice here is that if I scroll down, the logo disappears from the header. That's because the logo is in white color, and after scrolling, the header color also changes to white. To resolve this, you can simply change the header background to black color. And now if we scroll down, the logo will appear perfectly. Alternatively, you can also upload multiple logos in different colors. On the right sidebar, I will change the default logo and upload a black logo. Next, we also have the option to add a logo for transparent header. Here, I will upload the white logo. And now you can see that the white logo is visible here. And if we scroll down, the logo color will turn to black. Alright, the header design is complete. Now let's edit the page content. First up, we have the banner here. To add the banner, go to the image option on the right sidebar and then simply upload your banner. Next, to change the text, go to this heading text. Now select the text and replace it with anything. Just kidding, I will keep the previous text as it is. You can also add subheadings or descriptions if you want to. For now, I only want to add a button here. So I will go to the button label and type the button text here. Next, I will link this button to one of our product collections. Let's link this to the best sellers. We also have different button styles to choose from. Simply choose the one that fits with your banner. You can also adjust the button alignment based on your banner image. And just like this, the first section of our page is complete.